Hello everyone, in this video we'll compare Abacus AI, Perplexity, and Pool. Abacus AI and GenSpark may sound familiar in bringing AI into your hands, but they serve very different purposes and audiences. Abacus AI is a platform that helps businesses and developers build and use AI without needing deep technical skills. It makes tasks like preparing data, training models, and deploying them much easier through automation. The tool also supports advanced AI uses such as language processing and recommendations. Since it is cloud-based, it's flexible, secure, and can scale as a company grows. Perplexity AI is like a smart search engine that gives you clear and reliable answers instead of long lists of links. It searches the web in real time, summarizes the results, and even shows citations so you can trust the information. The tool is very useful for research, fast-checking, and quickly learning about new topics. It feels simple and fast to use, but it's more focused on answering questions than being a creative writing assistant. Poe is a platform made by Quora that lets you chat with different AI models like GPT, Cloud, and others all in one place. It's designed to make switching between models easy, so you can compare answers or use the one that fits your needs best. The app has a clean, user-friendly design and works well on both web and mobile. While some advanced features require a paid plan, the free version still gives good access. Abacus AI is better overall because it offers deeper automation and AI development tools, while Perplexity and Pool are mainly for information and conversations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.